If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To open a locally saved Camera Raw image in Photoshop for processing, select File, Open from the menu bar to launch an open dialog box. Then use this dialog box to navigate to and select the Camera Raw file to open for processing. Then click the Open button in the Open dialog box to open the Camera Raw image within the Camera Raw dialog box in Photoshop. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.